See with a view here from Rapides Regional Medical Center. We've got a clear sky and no changes in the weather forecast as we head into the football game. So no issues for today. Let's go over to Leesville where we're at 83 degrees in that direction. We've got a mostly clear sky, no rain expected out of this kind of pattern. Too dry and stable right now for any rainfall. All right, let's move on as we've got the radar to look at. Nothing really showing up here. Look at this. We're a few indications of radar picking up a couple of showers back up in the Architects. There's a little disturbance in the upper level flow kind of drifting southeastward. It's weakening as it comes into our area, so I don't think it's going to bring us any rain. And if it brings us a cloud, it'll only be a cloud or two. All right, satellite and radar showing those lives in the Architects right there. There's that little bitty disturbance coming in. Basically surface high pressures in control of things. These minor disturbances have problems overcoming these larger high pressure systems. So I think we're going to be okay again for football this evening. Now, let's move on to something else as we're looking at your futurecast. Back to the local forecast here for the weekend. A gig out there Saturday morning, say mid-morning, as I explained yesterday. You know, we used to do grocery shopping when I was growing up, that mid-morning Saturday. If you're out there at that time doing that or something else, no issues for the weekend, a whole weekend. In fact, we go into 7 p.m. This is maybe back to errands or entertainment at that time for Saturday. No issues other than a little bit of heat. And then as we go into Sunday morning church time, we've got your mid-morning forecast there. Things are looking good Sunday, but it'll even be hotter on Sunday. Sunday may be the hottest day of the month so far in October as we average in the lower 90s. Still a little bit of action in the tropics to look at. First of all, we've got Leslie up here in this mess of clouds. Farther to the south and east, we've got another brewing system there just off the coast of Africa. You see a ball of convection there. There's actually some tropical storm force winds in that area, but there's not a center of low pressure. So this has only been designated as an invest area right now. So checking out Leslie, let's see what's happening there with Tropical Storm Leslie. It's a 50-mile-per-hour tropical storm, and it's expected to continue recurving off toward the east and toward the northeast and remain a tropical storm throughout that area. And it'll be a concern to shipping lanes, but over this way, no issues there. Coming back into the tropical models with 94, AL94, you can see that it does not recurve. And so usually in the main development region, if they don't recurve, they've got a chance, obviously, to get in the Caribbean or come on up through between the Bahamas and Bermuda and have a shot at the East Coast. Coming farther south, they got a shot at the Gulf of Mexico. So Nick and I will continue to monitor that system just to make sure no surprises. Look at this, folks. Here we go with the cool bubble of air. Look at that cool bubble of air working through the Great Lakes and into the northeastern portion of the country there. And that is a deep bubble of cool air. That's what you need to get a cold front. So this kind of pattern, as you can see here, is the kind of pattern that we watch for those fronts. And yes, we're going to get one. So here's your 7-day forecast. A hot weekend, averaging 89 there for Saturday. There'll be some readings as hot as 92 or 93. Some readings could hit the middle 90s on Sunday with an average of 92. We'll see another comfortable morning Saturday. Here's your front coming in on Monday. We'll see a little bit of moisture, so I got a little bit of cloudiness in the forecast there Monday and Tuesday. No rain just yet for Columbus Day. So for some of you, this is a long holiday weekend. And otherwise, we go into Tuesday. Notice the continued cooling trend there, and we bottom out Wednesday and Thursday morning. Be a lot of 40s those mornings. Some readings as low probably as the middle 40s in some locations, which will be the lowest that we've had so far this fall season. So enjoy this taste of fall. And then Friday, we'll start to rebound just a tad and add a little bit more cloudiness to you. But so far, not putting any rain in the 7-day forecast. And if you're like me, you need some rain. And Nick and I will be watching for that as well. And if we get a chance, we'll throw some in there. But right now, we're going to keep it dry. All right, take care. Nick will be back with you, I think, tomorrow. And I'll see you again about this time tomorrow evening. Take care and have a super